Hello everyone, my name is Manish Kumar. I am from India. Today I will talk about the benefits of donating blood. Most of people do not know how important it is to donate blood. Some believe that donating has no advantage either for them or for those who receive the donated blood. The necessity of blood donation today is almost impossible to imagine because the lives saved are countless. According to the American Red Cross, someone in the US needs blood every second. Donating blood is rejected by some because of their lack of knowledge and religion, but it has positive effects on both the donor and the patient. Blood donation is a procedure of collecting blood from a screened person who must follow the strict guidelines in the country where he or she lives. There are several types of blood donation: whole blood, platelets, plasma, and double red cell. The main cell in an individual blood is red blood cell. Blood cannot be manufactured, it can only come from generous donation. According to scientists, the lifespan of red blood cell is about 120 days in a human who doesn't have any health problems. Because red blood cells live no longer than 120 days, many scientists encourage people to donate. In addition, there are advantages of donating blood. According to scientists, it was found that the blood donors are 88% less likely to suffer a heart attack than those who do not donate. Furthermore, it believes that the donating blood frequently is related to reducing the chance of getting some cancers such as liver, lung, colon, stomach, and throat cancers. Therefore, the advantage of donating blood far away outweigh any disadvantage which may be perceived. In fact, the process of donating blood only takes about 10 minutes, which is of course not a long time at all. To protect anyone who receives blood donation and for the protection of the person donating the blood, all donations are screened for many diseases before it is given to the recipient. Additionally, the medical center or the hospital will notify the person donating it if tests shown the person to be unhealthy. The donors must feel well when they decided to donate. On top of that, anyone who wants to donate should be at least 70 years of age and the weight of people before donating must be at least 50 kg. Finally, each person will examine for such things such as temperature, pulse, blood pressure, and level of hemoglobin. Due to today's standards, there is absolutely no reason not to donate blood as the procedure is extremely safe. Moreover, there are advantages of donating blood, giving us protection from diseases, being healthy, providing people know about their health at early stage, and saving others' lives. Donating blood can save so many people, not only the recipients but donors as well. The heart is one of many vital organs in our body. It is responsible for pumping blood to tissues to supply the organ with oxygen and nutrition. Any health issues in the heart may have ripples effects on the other organs. Blood flows smoothly throughout the arteries from the heart to all tissues, and if this process becomes abnormal, people could become ill. However, donating blood helps our bodies to decrease the chance of having heart attacks, which can result in death. According to the Heart Foundation, the primary cause of death is heart disease. To lower the risk of heart disease is to donate blood because high blood iron stores have been suggested as a risk factor for acute myocardial infarction. Donation of blood could theoretically reduce the risk of lowering body iron stores. One of many advantages of donating blood is that blood donation can reduce the risk of cancer. Donating blood will decrease the excessive amount of stored iron, which is considered to be the high risk of cancer. So, it is strongly suggested to everybody that we should donate blood, and we should save the lives of people.